Please tilt your mobile device now for increased visibility. So now I'm going to showcase how to organize your favorites bar, which can be done by going to the Organize My Favorites bar button located here. This is where you'll put your top favorite links you regularly visit on a daily or weekly basis. For me, this mostly consists of different news and Christian sites. For you, it could be a news site, a content creator's homepage, whether that be a news anchor's video page, a popular YouTuber, different types of websites you regularly visit, or just links to videos, images, or information you like to share. Once on the Manage Your Favorites bar page, you now have two important areas of consideration. The first being your top favorite bar items section, where you can rank and organize up to 20 different items, which will then appear on your favorites bar. Secondly, you have your favorites section, which will be your pool of items to choose from for your favorites bar. You can pick the specific items you want to be among your favorites using the filter boxes above, just like how you would be doing normal searches on ItsA. So in this case, I'm going to type in second to bring up the Second Amendment category filter. I'd recommend putting the items you want to transition into your top favorite bar items section as both a rating of 10 and a level of 10, so they appear at the very top for you then to organize. Now in this case, I'm going to pick an infographic since I'm a fan of how they convey information. Once you've moved the items you want to the favorites items bar section, make sure to hit refresh page for the newly ranked item or items that you picked to then appear in the top favorites item bar section. As you can see, since I haven't refreshed the page, the transition hasn't been completed. So now I'm going to do that so we can continue to the next step. From there, I can organize my new item accordingly. Keep in mind that rating is placed at a higher importance than level for a ranking system. From there, you can organize your new items or item accordingly. Keep in mind that rating is placed at a higher importance than level for a ranking system. So now for this example, I'm going to give this infographic a rating that should make it appear between Fox News and The Blaze. After selecting the rating, I can then go and see my change has been made, and this new infographic I can now easily share with others. This has been a demonstration on how to use the Favorites Bar Manager at a basic level.